Right, the blue paint is still wet, and me being impatient, I'm going to see if I can add some white to these, just very, very carefully, using a very fine brush. And I'm going to try doing it with this Super Gel white nail varnish. Don't know if this is going to work, but we will see. Well, it won't work when I can't get the brush out, but let's see. That's better. Right, I'm going to put the brush down there. I'm just going to put my fine brush. I do think art and creativity is all about trying things out and see what works for you. So far so good. Just going to go along this top bit. I want to keep the rest of it pure clay so that the essential oils have got something to soak into. I hope you can see that, I hope. Do need a bit of a steady hand, but I don't think handmade means perfect, so don't worry too much, just enjoy yourself. This is a nice project for beginners, and they do make nice little unique handmade gifts. Nice little gift for a housewarming, new home gift. Just turn that one round gently. Get a bit more nail varnish onto here, give it a shake. But no, I think that's going to work. Hope so. I mean, you associate blue and white with the sea, don't you? So it should be okay. I wanted to do it with the nail varnish because I thought it was a really nice white. And once the UV resin goes on, it'll be quite nice. You can do any shapes, you don't have to do hearts. I've got one here I've done which is like bird shape. So you could do anything. I've done some that have been house shaped. They're quite nice to do. I'm quite pleased with how this is going. Right, I'm going to carry on doing this and come back to you.